Welcome to my channel and my very first long form YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a crochet boho braid using the illusion pattern method. This method is a total game changer because you won't need to spend hours braiding your hair. So let's get into it. I didn't stretch my hair beforehand, but it's totally fine because this style works either way. The illusion method is all about creating neat, realistic boxes that makes the crochet braid look super natural. So I start by parting my hair vertically and dividing the front into 2 equal parts. And I'm just cleaning my parts and making sure that they are secured. So I take my band and I secure the back so it won't get in the way. Then I take a little in front to make individual braids. I'm making 5 individual braids because I'm going for medium boxes. This is my first time actually doing crochet braids. I didn't really like crochet braids, not even really. I didn't like crochet braids at all because it just looks so unnatural. But when I discovered the illusion pattern method, I knew I was going to try it and definitely put you guys on because it looks super natural. So I'm done with the 5 braids in front. I'm taking each box and following the parts down, then dividing the remaining parts to match the box so they look uniform. For the second box, I make braids 1, 2, and then I add the first box between my middle finger and my index finger. Then I braid again to a point where I feel it is secure and it won't loosen. You don't need to braid all the way. So I'm going to do this closely again, so please watch. So I'm halfway done with the cornrows at the back, and I'm going to do the rest of camera. So I'll be back, guys. So I'm back and I'm done with the cornrows at the back, and this is what it looks like. I actually love this look. Like, I love how my face looks like this. Yeah, so this is the first pack and I'm just going to put it in. First I'm going to do the front and then back after. So let's do it. Now the fun part, crocheting the extension. So you take your crochet pin and slide it through the middle of the box downwards. You hook the loop of the crochet braids onto the pin and close the latch. Then you gently pull the braids through the box. Then you take your pin, put it into the loop. You take the ends of the braid, then you put it in the pin, you close the latch, and then you gently pull through the loop of the braids. Make sure to gently pull out the cords, then you tighten it to secure, and you are all done. So I'm going to repeat the process over and over again, so please watch. Once all the braids are in, I like to use Coralala to define the curls and add a little shine. And that's it, a gorgeous natural looking style that is quick and easy to do. Thank you so much for watching my first YouTube long form video. I hope you found this tutorial very useful and helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I'll be showing you different ways to style crochet braids, so stay tuned for that. Until next time, bye.